Krishna Dandavat Pranam everyone. So today's topic is regretting not doing enough for Krishna. There was one Prabhupada disciple, and during the time when he was about to leave his body, he said, I wish I could have done more for Krishna. I could have become a little more serious about Krishna consciousness, and that's the regret I have. And that's the saddest thing, if you can ever think, but उनका वो बड़प्पन भी हो सकता है कि वो सोच रहे कि उन्होंने ज़्यादा कुछ वो कर नहीं पाए कृष्णा के लिए, because the devotee always is never satisfied. No matter how much he does for Krishna, he's never satisfied that यार मैं कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ, करने में मुझे और करना है कृष्ण के लिए, मुझे और करना है उनके भक्तों के लिए, उनके बच्चों के लिए, सबके लिए, and when you have that consciousness, because you know that Krishna is doing so much for you that मैं जितना भी करूँ वो कम ही है, So this is a small video about trust Krishna, trust in this process. I know spiritual journey and being on this path is very tough. It's not an easy journey. आप world में जितने भी लोग हैं उनमें percentage of non-devotees ज़्यादा है comparatively who have taken the spiritual path and journey, and you have to go against the world's thought process and stand with Krishna and choose Krishna and fight for Krishna, and it's not an easy journey. It's not an easy process because there are people around us, the community around us, everyone around us who is there, and you have to go against everyone or against everyone's thought process or challenge their thought process and stick to a thought process which is the right one, which is the real one, and have to keep on proving it every single day by choosing Krishna every single day. And it's tough. It's not an easy journey, and that's why you need a lot of strength to go on this spiritual journey, go on this path. And but Krishna will definitely help if you be persistent, if you be disciplined, if you not give up on him. He will help. He will definitely help. And this is a small video where I want to tell that start your journeys and not give up on Krishna, because that there is only, you have to remember this for life, there is only one person who loves you the most, and that's Krishna. That's it. And you have to do everything for him. Get married for him, then have children for him, so that you can serve him better, so that you can give that knowledge to those upcoming souls, make them Krishna conscious, and that will be a service to God. Then help someone, because if helping that person, that's an act of service, Krishna will be happy. So you have to change your consciousness. You have to make Krishna the center of your life. This is what I want to say in this video. Trust Krishna. Even if there are people who you can't trust in this world, like, what if I get hurt? What if this person, I can't trust this person? Who should I trust? And there are many people, in this Dukhalayam, we go through many situations and scenarios in our life where we are left alone and we don't know who to trust. So always remember, if you can't trust that person, it's fine. Trust Krishna. That Krishna, I'm 100% sure that Krishna will protect me, and Krishna will not let anyone who has ill motives or bad thoughts even come close to me in this much radius also. No one can dare to stand in front of me who has wrong intentions for me, or who is planning something wrong, or who is hiding something from me, or who has ill thoughts about me, or there's a lot of behind the scene is happening but you don't know. But always remember, if Krishna knows Krishna knows everything, whatever is happening, and if you're connected to God, he will reveal everything to you through your intuition, through your what's wrong, what's right, who to trust, who not to trust, what's right for you, what's wrong for you, what's the right path. There is a voice which always tells you. And that's why we need to understand how to use our free will correctly. By using that correctly, we have to... How we can do that is by listening to Krishna's voice, which is inside of us. Krishna is present in your heart. He will tell you what's right and wrong for you. फिर कृष्णा आपको बोलेगा ये राइट पाथ है, तो उस राइट पाथ पे ही जाना चाहिए, इवन इफ you feel that you lose something materialistically, or you will lose opulence from it. Always choose the right path. Always choose the right path and make sure that Krishna se, you have to understand Krishna se badkar koi nahi hai, and that's the reality of life. Full stop. So this was a video where I wanted to make that always keep in mind that Krishna loves you a lot. He's present. I know everyone's going through something or the other in life right now. Whoever is watching, whoever will watch this video, kuch na kuch life mein hoga, or hope it will happen in devotees' life and non-devotees, everyone's life. Because but devotees के लिए अगर 10th floor से गिरना हो तो Krishna will make sure you fall from the first floor, because Krishna will reciprocate according to how you are reciprocating, how much you are giving, right? So Krishna will be there to help you. Krishna loves you a lot. Always remember that. And that is what is life. This will also pass. Whatever, no matter what happens, how much depressed you are in life, जो भी बुरी चीज़ें हो रही है in your life, some depression is going on, this is not happening, this is not working, something is happening, always remember, ये सारी temporary चीज़ें है. Permanent thing, person is only Krishna in your life. And if you have Krishna in your life, nothing else matters. Nothing else matters. You have to wake up, you have to bring yourself up, lift yourself up from that sad situation or whatever you're going through, mentally, emotionally. You have to wake up, and you have to realize that there's a higher purpose to this human body. You can't just be drained and be just sitting in sorrow. Make sure you take time to heal, get up and start. Bring yourself back in your devotional service, in Krishna's service, chanting Krishna's name, hearing about Krishna, talking about Krishna, reading about Krishna. Just immerse yourself in Krishna consciousness, in just thinking about the Lord. The more you think about Krishna, the more happiness, peace, the more satisfied your heart will become, the more you will, be happy. Just surrender your heart to Krishna. Just surrender it. And you'll understand, you as a boj kam ho jata, you will be feeling like a sense of relief in your life. You'll be like, you'll feel light. Because you're dependent on Krishna. Krishna is there and you have no idea who is Krishna. He is standing like a big mountain behind you to just protect you, to be there for you. Always remember, आपको क्या करना है? सिर्फ कृष्णा से प्यार करना है, सबके लिए अच्छी सोच रखनी है, सबके अंदर भगवान को देख के नमन करना है, सबके लिए अच्छा सोचना है, प्रे करना है, किसी के लिए कुछ बुरा नहीं सोचना है. एंड आपको कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए, सिर्फ और सिर्फ कृष्णा से फ़र्क पड़ना चाहिए. Always remember that. If Krishna is in your life, you have everything and everyone. You don't need anything and everyone. You don't need anything and anyone. All you need is Krishna. And if he's there in your life, you have everything and everyone. Because everything is and everyone is connected to him. It's very simple and very logical and practical. If you hear the statement itself, you'll understand it. If Krishna is in your life, you need nothing more. You have everything. This is a small video where I wanted to share. So please become serious. And I know everyone goes through a lot, and कुछ ना कुछ लाइफ में होगा, बिकॉज दिस इज़ दुखलम. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, ये लाइफ में अगर हम लोग इधर खुश होते, अगर मटेरियल वर्ल्ड में एकदम खुशी खुशी जी रहे होते, तो कभी भी हम वी वुड नॉट वॉन्ट टू गो बैक टू कृष्णा, बिकॉज वी आर हैप्पी एंड वी आर सेटिस्फाइड, नो राइट? वाई वुड वी वॉन्ट टू लीव दिस मटीरियल प्लानट? बट दुख आते हैं क्योंकि हम इस दुनिया के लिए बने नहीं हैं. हम कहीं और से आए हैं और हमें कहीं, you know, we have to be with Krishna. We're coming from somewhere else, and that's our home, that's our family. And when we realize that, we start making choices in our life to go back to that life, to go back to that home. And वहाँ से असली journey शुरू होती है. So I hope we all go back to our home, back to Godhead, and back to our Golok family. And yeah, always remember them every day, always pray for them, always, because they also remember us. And just namaskar kijiye unko, you know, chanting ke baad, that Golok family la namaskar, and Sagya Vaishnavanna namaskar. So this was a small video. I hope we all keep pushing each other towards Krishna. Hare Krishna.